Imagine you are in very important meeting with your boss or at university with your professor, and you should listen to them and also note what they say in the same time. But it always has some challenge that you should handle both of them in the same time. Sometimes you cannot understand what he said when you're writing, and sometimes when you listen to him or her, you cannot note very well. And in this situation, Pendant is here to help us. But before we start, hello guys, welcome to my new gadget deep dive video, which is about new gadgets. And also I have one playlist about it in my channel. You can watch other videos about other gadgets. I analyze everything about them, and you can buy which of them that you like. Today we will speak about pendants. It's one gadget that you can see in the picture, very light, very small. You can wear it here in your t-shirt or clothes, and when you go out, when you go to any meetings, your class, school, university, anywhere, it will listen to anything 24 hours and just note important things. For example, you go out, you can hear any noises, or you have chill time with your friends, and in these situations, this smart gadget ignore not important topics and just record what is important to you and note them on the note, not look like a voice. It's with words, and you can go and search in the application what you want to know about date, about any time, about any lesson, about what your boss said to you, or about anything. So it's really useful for you, because during a day you will have too many things that you can forget, or you have any for example, meeting, appointment, time, and you will forget. Or as a teacher, maybe you said something, for example, next week we will have quiz, but you forget it. Or anything in daily life you say and you hear, and maybe you forget about them. This gadget is here to help us. So let's go in detail and see what's information of this gadget. First of everything, you can see that price is next to or near $400, and all day battery life. It has good battery which can be awake for a long time. Light and truly wearable. It's really light, not very heavy for your t-shirt or cloth. It's really light. Durable aluminum body, so it's from aluminum, not plastic. Crystal clear audio, so it means that very good quality of that sound and voice. Waterproof for rain and dust, so it's really important because it's always with you, maybe in a rainy day or dust in the street, everywhere. It's good that it's waterproof. And versatile magnetic clasp, so it's good because it doesn't move, just stick to your clothes, doesn't work. Doesn't move. And Bluetooth enabled, it will be connect to your phone, and USB-C charging. That means you don't need to change battery, just it is chargeable with USB-C. You can see in the video, that means here in my screen. So 3 notes which is very important about this gadget. I said about first one, remember important things. That means if you just make a joke, you not important things you said, and maybe your friend says anywhere not important things, this gadget understands that it is not important and ignore them. Just about important things, that it is important at your university, in your school, appointment with your doctor, anything. And also you can speak with it. That means you can also speak, and it can hear that I should remember tomorrow I have a class at 6, for example. You can also speak yourself with it. Effortless note taking, so always on for verbal processing, thinking out loud. Look, I said that you can speak with it and it will note what you said. Or capturing it out while your hands are busy, so you don't need to write anything after that. Just this gadget write anything for you. Be fully present. Put down your notebook. That means when you are in important meeting, you don't need to write and something like that. You just focus on your audience eyes. So it's very important for better connection and communication with people. So you can see in the picture, it can be like this, and also it is magnetic. That means you don't need to wear it like that. Also you can put it on your t-shirt. Look like, for example, my microphone, you can stick it here. And you can see the box of this. It's really light and small. You can people share their picture. Also you can use like this. You can give a gift to your friends. I think both of them are good. I really like this gadget. So again, unfortunately, this video is not promotion video, but if Pendant send me one of them as a gift, I will make a review for you guys, make a video and show you how it works. Does it work very well about daily life, about what is important, what's not important, about how it notes in your phone or computer. But generally, from informations that I analyzed it, it's really useful and really good because all of us have some important things that we forget them during a day. And also when you are in important class or meeting or anywhere that you should listen well, you cannot note it. So if you note well, you cannot listen well. So I think that it is very important gadget for our daily use. So that's all. I think that if they one day send it to me, I will make another video for you. But for today, it's enough, I think. What do you think about it? Please write in comment bar. Do you think it is useful or useless? Did you like this idea or not? Do you have one of them? If you have, please write in comment bar. How is your experience about it? But generally, I think that if this information are correct, it can be very fantastic gadget for you guys. Okay guys, I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that you have very good day or night with very good vibe, good energy, without any bad things, bad news in your life. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. You don't like my video, I don't know why, but please like it. I will be very happy for your support, and share this video with someone who you think that like this kind of gadgets, and maybe they can buy it. Have a good day. Bye bye.